Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. So in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to turn your old hoop earring into fashionable crochet earrings. So I have this one here. This is the old one that I have lying around and I'm not wearing it anymore. So it is a bit changing. I don't know if you can see it. It's slightly changing, but I'm just gonna do some crochet over this so it can look nice and pretty. So I went ahead and I made one, and this is what it looks like, and it is looking super brand new again and with a bit of fashion on top of it. So guys, if you're new over here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you will love this tutorial and you'll be able to recreate one of your own. So guys, let's jump in the video. So guys, to begin, I will be using a 1.0mm crochet hook, and the thread that I'm using actually is the Aunt Lydia's Classic 10. You can either get this on Amazon or you can buy it in Walmart. So all the colors that I used, I actually bought these thread from Walmart. So to begin, you will wrap your yarn around your fingers, or you can make your magic ring wherever you feel comfortable. This is just the way how I make mine. So once I do that, I will just go ahead and chain one. Once you have done so, you're going to go back into that ring and you're going to put 12 single crochets. So I am going to continue making my 12 and I'll meet back with you. So guys, now I have come to the end of making my 12 single crochets. Now I'm going to pull on my tail end just to give that section there a close up. So I'm not going to close it entirely. I am just going to go ahead now and make a slip stitch into our first single crochet. Now that you have done so, you're going to go ahead and you're going to chain up 1, 2, and 3. You're going to yarn over and you're going to go back into that same stitch and you're going to put 4 double crochets. 1, 2. So the chain of 3 count as our first. So now we have 3. Just redo that. Yarn over, go back into that same stitch. That's 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now that we have made our 5, we are going to go into the next stitch and we're going to make a single crochet. And that completes one set of the petal. You are going to yarn over, going to the next stitch, and you're going to do 5 double crochets. So that's 1, go back into the same stitch and do your 5. So that's 2. And you're basically going to continue doing this all the way around, making 5 double crochet into the same stitch. Once you have finished making your 5, then you will just make a single crochet into the next one and then continue all the way around. You should have a total of 6 petals. So I'll see you there. So guys, and now I have come to the end and I'm just going to make my my single crochet into my last stitch here. And then chain 1 and fasten off, and the flower is now completed. You can leave a little tail end because you're going to need that to sew your flower on. And now you can go ahead and pull your tail end to close that center part up. And there it is. Okay, so now that that is finished, we are now going to work on the earring itself. So I am using the size 2. And what I'm going to do is I am just going to make my knot here, my slip knot. And you can start wherever you want. You can just insert your hook like this, so underneath the earring, and just pull it like that. So once you have done so, go ahead and slip that on. And then you are going to work over your tail end by inserting your hook under, pulling up, yarn over and make a single crochet. Insert your hook under, just like that. I'm actually using the wrong color. This is the color that I'm using. I'm not sure what color this is. It seems like Khaki, but it's the same brand thread. So let me just redo that. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, it's not working with me today. Let me just redo that. Okay, so now that I have it, I'm gonna go ahead and attach my yarn. So you're gonna work over your tail end, so you're gonna chain one. Now that you have done so, you are gonna go ahead, going under, pulling up a loop, yarn over and pull through, and you're gonna do single crochets. And you're gonna do that until you full your earring. So it should reach to about this width. You should do that all the way around until you get back to here. So it should stop right here. So make sure that it is firm. You have enough on there. I'm not sure how many times I did this, but I just continue doing it until I get the right amount. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll meet you back at the end. So guys, and now I have come to the end, and this is what it looks like so far. So I am just going to go ahead and chain one, and I'm gonna stop using my size 2, and I'm gonna use the smaller hook, which is a 1.0. So you can change to that hook, and you're gonna turn your work, and into that first stitch you're gonna make a single crochet. Into the second, continue making single crochets all the way until you get back to the other side, and then I will show you how to attach the flowers on and to do that little crimpy look that it has on here. So I'm going to continue doing that, and I'll see you there. So guys, now I have come to my last stitch. And this is what our earring looks like so far. It is looking actually cute just as it is, but if you want to add the flowers on as I am doing, just to make it look all cute, you can go ahead and follow what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna fasten off here, and I'm just show you how to weave the tail end in. So you just basically go underneath the stitches like this, just like that. So I'm just gonna leave that part for now. So what you're gonna do now is that you're just gonna pull down on your earring like this. Just pull down. And once you pull down, then you'll get that ripple look effect on your earring. So there it is. Looking super cute. And now you are going to go ahead and attach your color. So I did an orange at the top, well, 2 oranges at the top, and then the yellow and the green at the bottom. So I am just bringing down my yarn down like this. Kind of just let it go into the middle. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on the top like that and just do some in and out stitches. Try to find somewhere that is not too tight because it's going to be really hard to get through. Okay, and just continue doing that until it is all sewed down. You're going to do the same thing for the other flower as well. So I have them here. Once you attach the one here, then you will attach the other one here, and then you'll just eyeball and put both of the other colors into the middle just like this. So you just sew them on, and you're working into this part here. This is where you're gonna sew them on. So I'm gonna continue doing that, and I'll meet you at the end. So guys, now I have come to the end, and all I'm gonna do now is just give this a tie. And fasten off. So this is the end look of our earring. It is looking super cute. So there it is, guys. So guys, if you love this tutorial and you were able to make one of your own using your old earring or your old loop earring to make this cute little crochet earring here, please do make one of your own. So guys, thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, bye.